Hi, welcome to my bullet journal spread for March. This month's theme is going to be yellow bows. I don't know why, but when I was thinking of a theme, that kind of just popped into my mind, so I decided to roll with it. Now, because it's yellow and the graphite of the pencil has a tendency to mess with the yellows, I'm gonna erase it out just enough so that I can see the outline, but not too much of it. I think the key to drawing good bows is to make sure everything's nice and rounded, because fabric rarely has any stiff, flat edges. Now onto the quote. I wanted to do these kind of magical feeling curvy letters, so they arch inward. The star glitter motif is also something I'm trying to add into this theme because I think it fits really well with ribbons and bows. It's inspired by that emoji that kind of looks like this. It's very cute. One of my favorite emojis, honestly. So I had absolutely no clue on what to do for a mood tracker in the ribbon and bow style because there's only so many bows you can draw across it without seeming like Blair Waldorf's headband. So I kind of just brainstormed for what else is associated with ribbons and bows and that kind of decorative stuff. I came across this idea of a bouquet, but of course, our key focus is the bow around the bouquet and not the bouquet itself. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself for this one. I think having the lighter yellow in there actually gives it more depth and dimension, like it's the other side of this ribbon. It's really cool. Keeping the curled inward lettering constant. So this is a pretty simple habit tracker, honestly, and I figured after a couple of spreads of this that this works the best for me. I just create a grid and label the numbers. Onto the YouTube page. It's just a place for me to plan out my posting of videos and any ideas I may have. This is a new spread that I'm trying because I think it's nice to step out of my schedule-addled, busy, humming brain for a little bit, and I think being grateful is one of the best ways of doing that. Nice. It's so satisfying when the line is pretty much straight and smooth the first time around. Alright, on to the weekly spread. I am so late for class right now, but I have to finish this. last month I tried this style of tracker and it was amazing. I've never done weekly spreads really, but last month I religiously followed it. So I figured out during the spread that the key to keeping things like ribbons and bows interesting is to just add the third dimension to it. So creating these kinds of twists in the banner really goes a long way. Cool. Time for my favorite part, the final flip through. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this theme. Thank you for watching as usual, and I will see you very soon. Good luck with all of your planning and organizing, and hope you have a wonderful March.